Today's walkthrough video is at 7606 Ravenswood Road here in Pecan Plantation. Stay tuned, I can't wait to show you the inside. Chris Thomas purchased this home from the original owner. I love the improvements that he's done. These beautiful cedar posts on the front porch. The whole house has been completely painted inside and outside. So we walk into this beautiful door. Oh, this air conditioner works amazing. It's nice and cool in here. Anyway, the house was originally built in 1997, but has been completely redone. It's 2,500 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, and it's got 2 baths. So here is this amazing, oh my gosh, this lot is to die for. It's on 2.5 acres, and it's been replatted. So it is 2 combined lots with 1 assessment. Popcorn's been scraped off the ceilings, all the wallpaper has been removed, and now you're left with this gorgeous home. I don't even like to do dishes, but I could stand here and do dishes right here all day long. So on this side of the home, we have the master ensuite. There's a fantastic patio out there and door access to get there. Look at this amazing bathroom. It's all brand new. It's gorgeous in here. Beautiful granite painted cabinets. So easy to just put a mini blind up there. The shower is outstanding. And this closet looks great. This door has been added to where this potty is. Then we have bedroom number 2. It's got a good sized closet in it with this full bath that's also been redone. Bedroom number 3 with a good sized closet. And then on this side of the home, the plans called this a game room. So this is a wet bar. This is a little office area. I can imagine a really cool little round table with a family sitting around there playing games or doing puzzles. Then we have this upstairs bonus room. It is also plumbed if you would like to add a sink. The HVAC system's been redone in this home. There are 2 units. Look at this outstanding laundry room. Love it. Through here, we have a full 2-car garage, but wait, there's more. There is a 480 square foot workshop down here. Absolutely wonderful. It is also plumbed. Obviously it has electric there, but it also has been plumbed for water as well. 2.5 acres on the Brazos River here in Pecan Plantation. If you would like more about this home, please reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you.